Hello. This session will cover the overview of Mainframe Software Manager, highlighting the main 4 features. Let's begin with the overview of Ca Msm. The host system, or the system where Ca Msm runs, we will call a host system. The main components of Ca Msm is the Product Acquisition Service, PAS, P-A-S we call it. Its primary functionality or responsibility is for retrieving files, products, maintenance, fixed cat, cars files, etc. from support.ca.com. Software Installation Service, or SIS, and it's responsible for installing the products and maintenance and working with the files that were acquired by the PAS functionality. Software Deployment Service is responsible for deploying the products to remote ZIOS systems. Software Configuration Service, and it's responsible for managing the updates to configuration items that will be used to configure the product. Some of the minor components of Ca Msm highlighted here are Software Catalog. Product Acquisition Service, when it downloads files, stores them in the Software Catalog. Software Installation Service, when it retrieves files to work on, will pull them from the Software Catalog. But the Software Catalog functionality manages the products and maintenance that are stored in a USS file system structure managed by Ca Msm. Task Output Manager manages the output for each task. All the functions that you do within MSM are under the guise of a task and are managed, and that information is tracked in MSM for your review and audit purposes. Mountpoint Manager manages the mounting and unmounting and creation of the file systems used by Ca Msm. On the remote target system, we have Remote Deployment Service. This manages the receiving and expansion of deployment files on the target system. Software Configuration Service Address Space, it also runs on the remote system and implements and manages the configuration actions on the target system. RDS and SCSAS are part of the CETN 400 as an example component. It's a component delivered with CA Common Services where the 400, the number part of that, corresponds to a Ca Msm release number. Thank you for attending this session.